Why do you want to do the business? We spoke about this on a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please find the link in the description. Your ideas are not 100%. You got a business idea and you start working on it. Nothing wrong. What's wrong is you assume it as 100% idea. No, your idea is not 100%. Your idea keeps on getting tested and clear your doubts once you start working on it. The sub idea or updated idea keeps on getting added, deleted, and takes a new version every time. The collected ideas get constructed like a pyramid and form a mountain of established business. All your ideas becomes establishment. Ideas comes step by step, not in full form. Do not commit anything at beginning of your business based on your initial idea. Idea is a baby. Allow it till it becomes adult. Your idea is not 100%. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. Let's try to decode it on future videos. Continue to watch next video on We Assume We Tried That Business.